Hello and welcome to the Forgotten Bookshop Girl. This is Nina, and this is the second time I'm trying to film this. First time around, my phone just stopped recording. Yeah, so anyway, this is just a tiny kind of like unboxing thing. It's a little present I got for myself a while back, but I never got around to actually unwrapping it at home. I don't know, I find it sometimes if I'm getting myself a present and it's wrapped, I still wait for a special moment at home to actually unwrap it. I don't know why that is. So I thought if I shared it with you, I would kind of have a reason to do it. It's nothing spectacular, but if you like books, you might really enjoy it. So I got it from a shop in Hay-on-Wye in Wales. If you are not from the UK, so it's in the UK, and Hay-on-Wye is really famous for its bookshops. It's a beautiful town, and it has just loads and loads of bookshops. So the shop I got this from isn't a bookshop, it's called 18 Rabbit, and they've got fantastic fair trade items there, but this item in here is to do with books. So okay, obviously because I've filmed this before, it's torn, so never mind, but I thought I'd just put the paper back around it too. But because I filmed it again. Right, anyway, there we go. As you can see, it's a bag, but ta-da! There we go. So yeah, when I saw this, I just really couldn't resist buying it, because to me it means so much. I can't even kind of describe it. It would probably take about half an hour to explain why, but I think if you like books, you just get it. And yeah, and I hardly ever go out anywhere without a book in my bag. So yeah, I think just having this bag on me would make me really happy. But anyway, I'll put the link to their website in the comments below. I'm not sure if they've got this bag in their online shop. Last time I looked, it wasn't there. They had a different one. So I don't know if they're only selling it in the shop, or if they are kind of like out of print or not. Next time going to Hay, I'm probably going to ask them, because Hay-on-Wye isn't that far away from where I live. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much for letting me share my little book bag treat unwrapping with you. I hope you're all having a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!